Good morning, everyone, and welcome to a
Fantastic Friday!
It is a fantastic Friday. Today is the first day of February. I have lots of boys and girls in the office today helping with announcements, and their teacher is
Mrs. Haberberger!
And they're here to lead our announcements. News from the cafeteria. Today we are having
Domino's Pizza!
or a meatball sub. And on Monday, we're having waffles, a cheeseburger, or a cold pizza bagel. Today is Counselor's Day, and so today we celebrate Mrs. Lenzen and all the great stuff that she does here at Crestwood. Next week is National School Counseling Week, and we're so thankful to have a great counselor like Mrs. Lenzen to help us every day. We have some students celebrating a birthday this weekend: Isaac Ash, Peyton Wolf, and Vincent Chu.
Happy birthday!
We hope you have a great birthday. We're also celebrating Go Red for Women's Day today. Heart disease is the #1 killer of women, so we're wearing the color red and wearing fitness clothing to remind all women to be heart healthy. Jump rope for heart. That's just a few weeks away, and we're gonna rock the beat. Today, teachers, please bring your students to the gym during regular specials so that they can create their own jump rope for heart posters. Play fair, play safe, and play hard. And now, if you're able, would you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance? Ready, begin.
I